All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope by now. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you.
So the weekend's back. What's up, guys? It's your boy DCS right here. Welcome back to my short wheel series, and this time we have a station wagon right here, guys, and it's got 10 on 10 in HWR cars, and not the same without the Hot Wheels flame right here. So yeah, this is a pretty interesting station wagon, as it is similar to the first gen, the Chevy Nova, which had the station wagon version, which is this one right here. So yeah, nothing much at the back. You've got the regular GM trademark thing and all. Well, yeah, we just have to go for the unboxing right now, guys, because we have nothing much to talk about this car, but it's got a 10 out of 10 in HWR cars, and you have the 66 over here. So let's just go for the unboxing, guys. Let's see what's it got. Alright, guys, so here the wagon is out of the box, and its first look is pretty damn crazy because it's got a lot of colors and it's almost everywhere, and you've got that E on the top. I don't know what's that for, but yeah, this is how it looks, guys. It's pretty damn nice in detailing, but it does miss some of those side view mirrors, and the rear is also pretty empty. It ain't all that much. And also the wheels are also in a different color, guys, that is in blue and yellow right there. So yeah, this is how it looks at the bottom. Yeah, they couldn't print the name out there, so they just put the number on. It's X1624. You can just Google that and you'll find this car, guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The interior is purple. Yes, I guess I didn't show you that. Oh yeah, it is a bit purplish, and the glass tint is a bit disappointing because it's kind of yellowish. So yeah, guys, that's the round look of this car. So why don't we go for the info now? And now for the information of the 1964 Chevy Nova wagon, guys. So let's talk about its horsepower. So at first, the horsepower of this car is 195 horsepower based on its engine, guys. The engine is a 4.6 liter V8. That's a small block GM engine, guys. So that produces up to 195 horsepower. Well, and the top speed of this car is 112 miles per hour. That's 181 kilometers per hour, which is kind of not confirmed, guys. Well, that's it for the info. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. See y'all next week. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.